Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Ford's bold entry into the electric SUV market. Combining the iconic Mustang heritage with cutting-edge electric technology, the Mach-E has generated significant buzz. Let's explore what makes this vehicle stand out. Design and exterior. The 2025 Mustang Mach-E showcases a design that pays homage to its muscle car roots while embracing modern aesthetics. The front fascia features a sleek, closed grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an aggressive stance. The sculpted hood and pronounced wheel arches enhance its sporty appeal. Notably, the new Sport appearance package introduces elements from the GT variant, including a refreshed front fascia and 19-inch high-gloss black painted wheels, adding to its dynamic look. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside, the Mach-E offers a spacious cabin with a minimalist design. High-quality materials and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. The panoramic fixed glass roof enhances the sense of openness, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The 2025 model introduces red accent stitching and sport pedals, elevating the sporty ambience. Premium models now come standard with ventilated front seats, ensuring comfort during long drives. Technology and infotainment. At the heart of the Mach-E's interior is a 15.5-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4A system. This interface provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure connectivity on the go. The BO sound system by Bang & Olufsen delivers an immersive audio experience. Additionally, the latest version of Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system debuts with the 2025 Mach-E, featuring automatic lane change functionality for enhanced driver assistance. Performance and powertrain. The Mustang Mach-E offers a range of powertrain options to cater to diverse driving preferences. Select RWD, equipped with a single electric motor and a 72 kWh battery, producing 264 horsepower and 387 pounds-feet of torque. Extended range RWD features a 91 kWh battery, increasing output to 290 horsepower while maintaining 387 pounds-feet of torque. Standard range AWD utilizes dual electric motors with a 72 kWh battery, delivering 325 horsepower and an impressive 500 pounds-feet of torque. GT-AWD, the performance-oriented variant, boasts 480 horsepower and 600 pounds-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. Rally AWD, designed for off-road enthusiasts, this model offers 480 horsepower and 700 pounds-feet of torque, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.4 seconds. Driving experience. On the road, the Mach-E delivers a dynamic driving experience. The low center of gravity, attributed to the battery placement, ensures stable handling. The steering is responsive, providing drivers with confidence during cornering. The GT and Rally models, in particular, offer exhilarating acceleration, rivaling traditional sports cars. Range and charging. Range anxiety is addressed with the Mach-E's competitive driving ranges. Select RWD, approximately 250 miles on a full charge. Extended range RWD offers up to 300 miles. Standard range AWD, around 220 miles. GT AWD, approximately 280 miles. Rally AWD, about 265 miles. Charging is facilitated through various options, including home charging stations and access to Ford's expanding network of fast chargers. The inclusion of a standard heat pump in the 2025 model improves battery performance in colder climates, ensuring consistent range. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the Mach-E, equipped with a comprehensive suite of features. Ford Go Pilot 368 cents, includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, blind spot information system, and lane keeping system. Blue Cruise 1.5 offers hands-free driving on pre-mapped highways, now enhanced with automatic lane change for added convenience. Advanced airbag system ensures occupant protection with strategically placed airbags throughout the cabin. Pricing and availability. Ford has positioned the 2025 Mach-E competitively in the market. Select RWD, starting at $36,495, making it more affordable than some competitors. Premium AWD, priced around $45,000, offering additional luxury features. The backside of the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E continues the bold and aggressive styling that defines this electric SUV. It seamlessly blends Mustang heritage with modern aerodynamics, making it one of the most eye-catching Fs on the road. One of the most notable design elements is the tri-bar LED taillights, an unmistakable Mustang signature. These sleek and elongated lights add a sporty, high-tech look, enhancing visibility and presence, especially at night. The black rear spoiler gives the Mach-E a performance-oriented feel while also improving aerodynamics for better efficiency. The rear bumper has been slightly redesigned for 2025, featuring a more sculpted look with integrated reflectors and a skid plate-style lower section. Unlike traditional Mustangs, the Mach-E lacks exhaust pipes, reinforcing its electric identity. The GT and Rally trims get a more aggressive rear diffuser for enhanced performance aesthetics. Ford has also made functional improvements. The power liftgate offers hands-free operation, making cargo access effortless. With 29.7 cubic feet of storage space behind the rear seats, and up to 59.7 cubic feet with the seats folded, the Mach-E remains practical for daily use. A new Mustang Mach-E badge is prominently displayed at the center of the tailgate, showcasing the vehicle's identity. Additionally, updated LED turn signals and a dynamic lighting sequence when locking or unlocking the vehicle add a premium touch. With its muscular haunches, wide stance, and modern lighting elements, the rear of the 2025 Mustang Mach-E embodies performance, practicality, and innovation, making it an F that looks just as good from the back as it does from the front. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.